Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you unboxing of rain and dust backpack cover. So let's check out what is inside. I purchased these items from Amazon. You can see that. I already opened this cover. So let's check out. This is the Cosmus rain and dust backpack cover. Backside is a Cosmos logo and it's with the clip lock mechanism. It's very helpful for riders for protect our bags from dust and rain. How it works, let's check out. Okay, I am done. Okay guys, now we are check out water resistant power of this backpack cover. Okay, let's go. You can see no water inside. Okay, this product's build quality is very good. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't miss to like and share and add your valuable comments about this video. Okay, take care, bye.